Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your free market update. Okay, on this video, a little bit of a case study from one of our new students, somebody that started about 30 days ago here at Trading College on the mentorship program. He's somebody that had been trading previously. He'd been struggling with his trading, getting into trades too late, trading emotionally, too tight stops, getting out of trades far too early, and really just being totally a complete mess with his trading. So what I got him to do was sit back a little bit more, trade less but make more money. So I want to talk to you about what I helped him with as well. And if you can just see this trade here, it's the pound Aussie dollar. I'm up £1,257, okay. And I'm going to show you also the Dow trade that I took last night and woke up this morning to a handsome profit as well. So You've got to have a strategy, of course, okay? Now, a strategy is a reason why you get into a trade. Now, this strategy was a pro-trend system buy with a momentum trigger, okay? So it turned green. Green means more buyers stepping in. Price went up for a few days, and then the price consolidated for a few days, all right? So what I said to Richard was, okay, look, what we want you to do is start to place orders. Now, an order is either a limit order or a stop order, and you place that with your broker, and it can take you seconds to place that order once you know where you want to place that order. And what happens then, you place that order, it sits on your brokerage, and you can go to bed, be sleeping, and that order can be filled while you're not even at your screens. All right, just like the Dows did this morning for me. So what I did here, I got this nice buy, nice little pullback, and on this day here I'm placing a little buy order in this consolidation area 1 pip above the high. So if it breaks out, so the next day it broke out, filled me in the trade, I probably wasn't even at my screen, and then it went down, my stop placement's underneath this support area here, the pro trend system turns light green the next day, which is a good sign to go. We pushed higher, and then Friday we push up, and away we go. And then on Tuesday today, we're pushing up really nicely. So we're bringing in a decent £1,200 on this swing trade. And I've done less. I've not been at my screens at all. I was at a Forex show presenting on that on Friday before it broke out. And that's the way to trade. If you're somebody that's trading emotionally all the time and you're just making loads of mistakes, it might be best that you just place orders. Let those trades be filled. Let those profit target, set a profit target. You could place a stop, you could place a profit target, and you could place an entry. And then you can go off and do what you want for the rest of the day. So here's another one, the Dow Jones, Wall Street. So I placed a little order here. It's red on the pro trend system. Little order here. Let's see if we can find that trade. Let's get that one up on my brokerage. And 1 second. Sorry about this. Tear off ticket. Let's bring it over. So place another little order. I'm already short this market here, and then I place another order here, and it's making me nearly £500 today. And honestly, guys, I've been not on my screens for the last 4 days at all, for more than 1 hour a day. And this is what has turned Richard around. He's now loving it because he's not a slave to his charts all day long. And he can let those trades hit their profit targets or get stopped out. At least if you get stopped out, you're protecting your account. And if you're going for profit targets of at least 2 to 1 and the strategy is pretty good, then you are going to make a profit, or your account is going to grow. And I think the more I mentor students, every single one of them has got trades emotionally at times and gets out of trades too early. So don't worry about that. Everybody goes through the same thing. If you're new to trading, you're going to make mistakes, as long as you're protecting your trading account, because that is the most important thing. Okay, protect your account with stop loss orders, and let those profits run. But think about placing orders in the brokerage. Number one, frees you up from having another job by trading the markets. You can do this while you're working full-time in your other job, and you'll make more profit. So enjoy it, guys. Hope it helps. Leave some comments down below. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for the next one that comes out next week. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.